Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I have Smudge Art canvases. I have a right-handed canvas and a left-handed canvas. And I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use the right hand today. And if you are choosing from our website, if you're right-handed, you choose right. If you're left, you're going to choose left. This kit comes with paint and also a brush. I am going to use markers today, so I have markers with me and a pencil. So I'm going to open this up. And what I would suggest is when you're doing right-handed is you can cut out the football if you want to use it as a stencil. So you can do it this way, match it up and trace it. You can also use this in a lesson plan. You can use a ruler and how far from this side, and then do the same thing and mark it off so that way you get even dimensions on both sides. It's up to you. You can also freehand, so just use your pencil and freehand the marks. Kids usually like to do that, and it gives them a lot of freedom in creating because they're mirroring the shapes they see. So parallel lines, ovals, small ovals here. I will show you this way. You can just line it up and then trace the outside. And then I am going to freehand the rest. You can also use a ruler for straight lines. You can measure off here. Again, you can freehand it if you'd like. I'm just going to use this so it's more even. Kids will learn all the different shapes that they're using by mirroring shapes. Okay, and then we have to finish the dots. Using my peripheral vision to see where I'm putting these dots and mirroring the dots on the other side. When you're finished, you can paint it or use markers, and then I'll outline it with a dark marker too. Smudge Art canvases are great for a fundraiser or a birthday present, art parties. Lots of fun things for fun designs. You can check out our website, www www.smudgeartink.com, and that will give you a list of all of our fun designs. Okay, I'm going to finish this up and show you the finished work. Thanks for watching. I had so much fun making this football. I used markers, pencil to trace. I had my ruler. I've also used a Sharpie paint pen, and I use that in 2 different colors too. Those are always fun to use. Smudge art inspires you to create, but you decide how you create it. Thanks for watching.